Hello there, welcome to another Mr. Curtis video toolkit. This time we're adding decimals. And when do we normally come across decimals? When we're dealing with money. So we're adding two amounts of money together. £14.76 and £9.45. Now the key to getting this right is setting it out. We're using squared paper to help us set it out in columns and keep everything lined up. Because if we can do that, we'll get it right. So look at what I've done here. I've used colour, I've used the squared paper, and the most important thing I've done is I have lined up my decimal points. The decimal points must be in a column. If they're in the same place, then all the other columns, place value columns, will be in the right place. So let's just put a little reminder in there to show us that we must line up our decimal points. Okay, now we've got it set out neatly and properly in columns. We need to use our column addition skills to add these numbers up, exactly the same as we would if there wasn't a decimal point. So we're going to start in the column furthest to the right, which in this case is the hundredths column. 5 hundredths add 6 hundredths gives me 11 hundredths. Just as I would if I was doing normal column addition, I'm going to put the 1 in there, but I've got to carry the second one, the 10 hundredths, into the tenths column. Now I'm going to add the tenths column. 4 tenths add 7 tenths would give me 11 tenths, but I've got another tenth here, so that is 12 tenths. So the 2 tenths I can put in there, but the 10 tenths I've got to carry forward into the units column. Now I've got 9 units, add 4 units, add another 1 unit. That gives me a total of 14 units. Again, I need to carry here. I've got 4 units in the unit column, and the 10 units need to go into the tens column. And finally, nice and straightforward here, I've got 1 10, add another 10, gives me 2 tens. So, the final answer to my question is £24 and 21 pence. And I would write that with the pound sign as an answer to my question up here. So by working in columns and making sure those decimal points are always lined up, and using our column addition skills, it's nice and easy to get the right answer. I hope that helps you, and I hope you are successful.